Hi there, students. Pinchbeck. Okay, Pinchbeck is fake gold. Pinchbeck is actually a mixture of copper and zinc that was invented by Christopher Pinchbeck, who was a watchmaker in London in the 18th century, the beginning of the 18th century, and he invented this imitation gold for to be used for watches and for cheap jewellery. And Christopher Pinchbeck invented Pinchbeck, but he used to make things from Pinchbeck, but it was clearly labelled Pinchbeck. And I've seen quite a few items in Pinchbeck. It looks alright, but it's clearly not gold. It doesn't have the same feeling. But then from that you can also use Pinchbeck to mean something that is artificial, something that is a cheap substitution, something that's a sham. It's superficially, it looks alright. So for example, the poetry that he writes is just Pinchbeck William Wordsworth. It's a cheap imitation of William Wordsworth. The book that he's written is Pinchbeck, George Orwell, for example. So it's a cheap. Pinchbeck is then a cheap copy. Okay, so Pinchbeck itself is it's an alloy, a mixture of zinc and gold. So a Pinchbeck watch, a Pinchbeck bracelet, a Pinchbeck brooch. A brooch made of Pinchbeck, so both an adjective and a noun. But then we can use it as an adjective, meaning imitation, spurious, something that is not the real thing. So he showed Pinchbeck heroism. Yeah, he wasn't heroic at all. He just pretended to be. So Pinchbeck is a copy, it's ersatz, it's an imitation, a simulation of the real thing. But Pinchbeck is not real gold, and if you look at it, you see it. It's very clear that it's not. Okay, the enthusiasm that she pretended to effuse everywhere was clearly Pinchbeck. It wasn't the real thing. It was a copy. It was all a Pinchbeck world of pretense. He's always living in a bit of a dream world, and the things that he shows us are all Pinchbeck. They're poor copies of the real thing, of the real McCoy. So Pinchbeck is the opposite, if you like, of the real McCoy. It's something that it looks superficially valuable, but it's actually cheap. It's bad quality. And if you look at a piece of Pinchbeck, you can clearly see that it's not gold. Okay, so Mr. Pinchbeck's curious metal, now sold by him and his son. But it's clearly not gold. So Pinchbeck, a copy of the real thing. So, well, at some point, dishonest jewellers tried to pass Pinchbeck off as gold from time to time, but well, I don't think it's an easy thing to do. Okay, so it's a bad quality imitation of something. Formality. So Pinchbeck describing the material itself, I'm going to give a 6 in formality, but it's the only word that you can use to describe it because it is what it is. As an adjective, I think it's quite unusual, although I think I would give it a 6.5 in formality, used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. And the origin, yeah, Charles Pinchbeck, the inventor of it. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Don't accept Pinchbeck. only the real thing.